doing today? Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to learn about acids and bases. If we are given lemon juice and soap water in two different beakers, will we be able to tell the differences between the two? Perhaps we will list with different colors in appearance and so on. But these are only the physical properties. We want to talk about chemicals. How about the taste? Taste is an important parameter as it takes us to chemical properties. Lemon juice tastes very sour. Soap water tastes slightly bitter. Lemon juice is an acid while soap is a base. Do you know what an acid is? Do you know what a base is? Let's get to know these terms. The term acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which simply means sour. So, are all acids sour to taste? The answer is yes, they are. But don't ever taste a chemical to test it. Many chemicals are poisonous. Strong acids are very dangerous. They can destroy skin and other body tissue on contact. However, many fruits contain weak acid like orange, lemons, and grapes. They have citric acid. That's why they are called citrus fruits. Apple, on the other hand, contain malic acid. When acid come in contact with blue litmus paper, it will turn red. So, acid is a compound that reacts easily with all the substances and turn blue litmus paper red. Now let's talk about the soap water. What nature does it have? It is basic in nature, which means soap is a base. You're probably familiar with a few bases. They often feel slippery and they have a bitter taste. Soap and detergent contain bases. The labels on these products include warning against eating or drinking them or letting them come in contact with our skin. Strong bases are as dangerous as strong acids. Now, when bases come in contact with litmus paper, they will turn it blue. So, base is a compound that reacts easily with other substances and turn red litmus paper blue. Litmus paper is an indicator. So, indicators are dyes that change color in acids and base. So, they are used to find out if a chemical is an acid or a base. For example, if it turned to red, that means the chemical is acid. If it turns to blue, the chemical is base, just like we saw in the previous test. In chemistry, whenever we are talking about acid and base, we mention a measure called pH scale. Now, pH scale measures how acidic or basic a substance is. The scale ranges from 0 to 14. pH of 7 is neutral. If it is lower than 7, it's acid, and higher than 7 is basic. The lower the pH, the more acidic it is. For example, a pH of 1 is more acidic than a pH of 3. For base, the more the pH, the more the basic the substance is. A pH of 12 is more basic than a pH of 9. Now that you know all about acid and base, what do you think would happen if we mix them together? For example, if we mix hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, which are examples of acid and base, and a result they will form a neutral solution like water and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the scientific name for salt. So this happens every time we mix acid with base. You may ask me, what is the usage of acids and base? Actually, they have so many usages and you use them every day. For example, hydrochloric acid, which is found in your stomach, is very useful and help you to digest food. Your favorite lemon flavor is actually obtained from citric acid. They are added to food because they produce the sour taste. Acid is used in production of food such as cheese. It's used in production of medicines such as pain reliever and aspirin. It's used in manufacture fertilizers and explosives. And it's used to produce dyes. Bases also play important roles. They are used in producing soap and cleaners. They are very important in cement. They are used in producing papers and petroleum refining. Acid and base are also important in developing photographic film. Base are used in developing solution, the liquid that causes the negative image to appear on the film. When the film has developed long enough, dilute acid is used to neutralize the bases and prevent any further developing. That's it for today, guys. Feel free to ask any question regarding the lesson and answer the question of lesson review and chapter review and comment your answers. Good luck. Goodbye.